Hello, once again, good morning, Apo. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? Adak ko mo tra ato yung wedding apo. Awan, very good. Let us continue. Ganda pinudungan. Ano kayo? Gamam hindi ima na dyan. Both hands. Gamam. Yan, okay. Jonaline, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? John, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? O sige nga duwa, do you take upon yourselves the duties of marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Okay. John, will you have Jonaline to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? O Jonaline, will you have John to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Okay. Sing Sing. Wala yun. Wala. Sing Sing. Sige, iwan mo din Sing Sing dyan. A circle is a symbol of wholeness and perfection and unity. Like circles, the rings has no beginning and no end. They are tokens of growing relationship that you have come here to celebrate and confirm. O, follow after me. Ay, bagam di bagak dyan. Tapos isuot mo di Sing Sing kini Jonaline. I give you. Sulutin di bagak. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sige, suot mo. Pakasimit lang, Jonaline, follow after me, bagam jay bagak. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sige, suot mo. So, basit. Yan. Tapos na shoot. O, tatama ang sumango kay Toy parents nyo. Tipay lang. O, naman payo, kinwish tayo. Nagigyan kasal. Bagayon, sa kanyata payo, kinwish. Nadating.
Tatangal daw, may sakay yung pamilya. May sakay yung pamilya na masakay yung pada. Kaya ko lang, at kumata. At nangayon salon at yung ayan at yung may sakay yung abukan yung pamilya yung tatay lang.
Thank you.
Magaling naman ito na kada kayo. Pinaregalo yung kada kayo at nagbaling na pamilya. Sangon nyo ni Pas Marigan at tirigat na dumtir kada kayo. Sangon nyo at kamit ipinili o. Kayo mo nga diskula. Ako may pabaling. So mali lang tinubaling ko ngayon ko lang talagang tiyag-asawa at tirigat mo talaga.
Thank you. Otoymat ng gamit tayo in wish. Diyan ka sa.
Sa amin.
Ay, kailangan yung danom na.
Imbagada mo to.
Sige, tayo talaga. Eh.
Tata, kaya yung anak ko. At pasti, kasaryo, dapat. No, dapat bigyayo, at tinulong tayong mag-asawa. Magaman, tipot, kurang matinay sa sa at tungkol tayo na sa lahat. Again, na.
Lang.
Pagamos sa akin, so mag-asawa, mag-asawa. Pagamos sa problema yun, ay masaya. Pagamos sa si Rigat ko yung masanggaman. Hindi ka lang.
Thank you. O, so ako kay Jelly Code. Katawad ako, nag-Jelly Ninong, Ninang, King Friends and Family. O, sige. Umana tayo na. Maraming tayo. Kahit na kayo si Baga, si Alcatara.
Pagsanggaran na kitinadak kayo. Para may din ito kakabailan na naman sa tayo mga buti pamilyayo. Hanabali kayo panagtarang kayo panagbiyak, sigurado mo madamdama, dato ni amin ni ako pag-shit yung officer na ipagplano na ipagbiyak at alam ko amin di tangan na ipagana. Ito na ang certificate.
Thank you.
Abroad kami, nung mauswasa sa GPS ko, nung mag-abroad ko ng GMS, nung sumangkit, awanin si asawa na, so mga nung mabatmat din, kaya lahat ng mga trabahoan, total na lang maging trabahoan dito yung kaya tayo mga Pilipinas. Tapos, yung pa, gagawin natin sumbat ko guys kami ni Nangyo. Sumbat kami yung sumbat ng kanayon. No, sumbat kami panawag so nang paano ka nga may sabulan oras laing timing ang lang day nalami isto ti may sa abiyay gawin na to pag-community katang sa pagsamo mo magasa nga di pinagsumbat nila tayo yan lang yan lang
Thank you.
Everybody, sa proxy ni Rafael, ibili na kami na naibaga ko ng pagsauli ng kunana. Kanaaramid namin, hindi lang agad nag-ibagay mo. Nung kunang aglaba ka, kanagakasta. Kaya sa kanya hindi na tumagin sa bali mo. Ang nagaputa, lalaki ka, kung aram din na bigay. Ang imbis na ta oras mo, mga NL when you Facebook ti aramidin. Ako si Kaswan ke din kami sa enjoy life ka nagkasawa kayo niya. Yeah.
Thank you.
Good morning sa lahat. Bilang pangalawa ng tatay mo, kailangan ka sa pamilya mo na hindi mo kaya. Tumawag ka sa taas. Tapos, nandito kami para tumulong. Hanggang kaya namin tumulong, tutulong kami. At wish namin na maging maganda yung sama ng mag-asawa. Yun lang.
Thank you.
John and Juana sa paggawa sa ating Pilipino at sa inyo, kung magkaroon man kayo ng mga problems dahil bago mag-asawa kayo, huwag niyo, pag-usapan niyo yung itong mabuti kasi ang isipin niyo lagi, lalo't magkakaroon father and mother na kayo soon. Isipin niyo lagi yung ano ng magiging mga anak niyo. Huwag yung mga pansarili niyo lang na mga sa lalaki.
Yan. Para sa inyong mag-asawa, sana maging maayos ang pagsasama siya. Kailangan may magkano yung bigla ng problema, mag-usawa niyo ng mabuti. Huwag niyong kalimutan natin yung mga sana maging maayos kayo. Natural lang na yung problema na sa mga asawa niyo. Lagi ang pag-usapan ng mabuti at ayusin niyo. Talagang yan. Basta lagi kayo nanalangin. Madali lang malipas mo. Yan lang yun.
Thank you. Ay, sige. Oh, gawin di man na ka. Both hands. Pagkatama, Jonalyn and John. Jonalyn, anaman, kahit may baga, vows mo kini John. As a wife. Kasi, ada si surat mo. Yan.
I promise to always fight for you, pursue you, and love you wholeheartedly and unconditionally for the rest of my life.
Thank you. O, si Kamit dyan, anaman, vows mo, promise mo, as a husband kini John.
I promise to love you, to be your best friend, to respect and support you, to be patient with you, accept you unconditionally, and to share life and to share life with you without the years.
Okay? Sige. Dawang lagi mo na. Both hands. Okay? Follow after me malan dyan, ah. I,
I,
John,
John,
take you, Jonalyn,
take you
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
having hope
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and health,
to love
to love
and to cherish,
and to cherish,
until death do us part.
until you was born.
Okay, Jonalyn, follow after me also. I, Jonalyn,
I, Joanne,
take you, John,
take you, John,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish,
and to cherish,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Okay? By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Varesco III, Municipal Mayor from Pangero, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Okay, you may now kiss the first kiss. Igan.
Legal first kiss.
Sige, sige, kiss eh.
Ika Ma'am Ate Lips.
Nalay.
Mati.
Hindi kayo.
Mati ka nun.
5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Nagpaspasin kami.
Sige, oh. Second kiss.
1, 2, 3. Uy, nala.
Okay. Piniginaw ako ang business ng pinakapit ko. Magpirma kayo. Magpicture na nyo.
Sige
gamit lang. Gamit lang. Umpat. Ginagana. Congratulations. Congratulations. Picture tayo. Parents. Tapos next. Okay. Lumaki na.
Parents lang. Parents mo. Video.
Family. Next. Family member. Lola. Yes. Family. Ninong-ninang.
Sama ko pa. Ay.
Next.
Sige.
Matapay friends? Sino pa eh? Wait lang lang. Groom side muna. Groom side. Okay, groom side. Okay, sige.
Side view ka ba sigla?
Okay, next. Sino pa? Groom side yung babae mo. Papa.
Ang awag na kasama mo.
May pagkakanan naman.
Nakawal.